Hi, if you are in doubt that will you clear the prelims 2023 cutoff, and if you are looking for some strategies how you can boost your marks by at least 10 to 15 marks in the next 45 days, then this video is for you. Guys, in this video, I am going to give you top 3 strategies, top 3 to-do list which you have to do if you want to crack the prelims 2023 cutoff. Guys, most of the candidates who prepare throughout the year, standard books like Lakshmikant, NCERTs, okay, Spectrum, okay, they will be somewhere around 70 marks. Okay, they will be somewhere around 70 marks. Most of you who are watching this video, and if you have prepared throughout the year for the prelims examination, and if you have covered all the standard books, you will be somewhere around 70 marks. Okay, even if you don't do anything, just continue doing what you are doing, you will score 70 to 75 marks. Take it from me. If you have read all the standard books, basic books, you have read properly, you have taken some mock test, you will get 70 to 75 marks. But the bigger question is how to cross this plateau. Guys, 70 to 75 marks and 90 to 95 marks is called prelims plateau. Most of the students, what they do, they struggle to cross this prelims plateau, because after this, okay, after 70-75 marks, the kind of effort which is needed, this is effort and this is marks, okay, the kind of effort which is needed to increase your marks is very high, okay, is very high. Okay, till 70 marks, very less effort is needed. Just you read all the standard books, you will be able to get 70 to 75 marks. But after 75 marks, each and every marks, if you want to score, you have to do some extra effort. What are these extra efforts, and why there are many students every year they write the prelims, they are stuck 70 to 75 marks, they are not crossing 80 every year. Okay, they are giving years but they are not crossing. In this video, I am going to share that, and if you follow this in the next 45 days, you will definitely crack the prelims cutoff. You will get more than 95 marks. Okay, I am talking about the recent years trend. This is a recent year trend, and you see again after 90 your marks will shoot up like this. After 1995, if you are really of that level, after 1995 your marks is going to shoot like this. Okay, and I am speaking this from my own experience. Okay, so guys, actually 3 things which students need to do in the last 45 days to really boost their marks from 70 to 75, from 70 to 1995 is that 3 things is, first is they need to master option elimination techniques. Guys, many students, what they are saying is that, sir, now UPSC is asking only 1, only 2, now option elimination has no relevance. Guys, this is wrong. Why? Because in last year, in 2022, when UPSC introduced this only 1, only 2, then also there were at least 15 to 20 questions where you can apply optional elimination trick, where you can apply common sense and can get answers. So guys, you can just see, you just need 10-15 marks. 10-15 marks means what? 7 to 8 questions. 7 to 8 questions. There are more than 15 questions which you can solve using optional elimination. So if you master that technique, you are going to increase your score by 10-15 marks. Okay. Second thing is that, okay, read current affairs thoroughly last 1 year. Guys, current affairs is the Achilles heel of most of the aspirants. 99% of the aspirants who are here, okay, if you go and ask them, what is your biggest problem? What is the biggest challenge in the next 45 days? They'll say only one challenge, that is current affairs. Guys, don't ignore this. If you have, okay, access to some current affairs lectures, watch that. If you do not have any access, you can use the Optima sessions. It is free, okay, for all the Optima test takers. It is completely free for all the Optima test takers. Please watch, or please whatever, okay, somehow cover the current affairs of last 1 year and read good current affairs compilation. Most of the students, what they do, they read run of the mill. What do I mean when I say run of the mill notes? Run of the mill means whatever everyone is reading, I will read that. Okay, and many times, okay, the notes are not that comprehensive. Guys, in the last 2-3 years, if you see, UPSC is going very deep in current affairs. They are asking very fringe type of topics which were not asked before. For example, golden machine last year was asked, probiotics was asked. These are fringe topics. These were not the trend in the last 4, 5, 6 years. Okay, but recently UPSC has picked these kinds of questions. If you see, 1 year back they have asked sports award. They have asked sports award. Few years back they have asked for the payroll and custody. Okay, so these are directly UPSC is taking from current affairs. If you are strong in current affairs, no one can stop you from crossing this barrier. No one can stop you crossing the barrier. And the last thing and the most important thing is that you need to prepare the hit list. Hit list means the most expected topic of that year. At least there will be 30 to 50 topics which are most expected that year, which if you have analyzed the previous year papers, if you have read the current affairs properly, even you can predict those topics. But obviously you do not have the time to do that. I will be recommending those topics in my YouTube channel and in my Telegram channel. You have to prepare those 200-300 topics, and guys, I can tell you, these are limited topics, and this will increase your marks by 10-15 marks very easily. Why? Because you don't have to prepare everything. If you go and prepare everything, obviously, suppose if I tell you, prepare entire ancient India, prepare entire medieval India, do you have the time to do that? Obviously not. But if I say, prepare Cholas, prepare Vijayanagar, prepare the Harappa, if I give you some, prepare the Marathas, prepare the Mughals, some 5-6 topics, and if you prepare that and you get 3-4 questions from that directly in the exam, then obviously you will have an edge. Last year I have given, prepare this Ramanujacharya, and it came in the exam. So similarly, I'll be giving you important topics list, and you prepare that. For example, tiger reserves. Everyone knows that one question from tiger reserve is going to come, but can you prepare all 53 tiger reserves? It is next to impossible. It is a wastage of time. But if I give you a list of tiger reserves, these are the 10-12 tiger reserves, and from this you can easily eliminate option, you can get the answer. For example, this year tiger project is completing 50 years, and in 1973 9 tiger reserves were introduced, and all these 9s are completing their 50 years. Bandipur is one among them. So like that, the 9 tiger reserves are very important. Similarly, the other protected areas also which are in news. For example, the Cold Biosphere Reserve or the Andaman and Nicobar Islands protected area there. These are in news. These are very important. Species in news. Dugongs. The leatherback turtles. Like the cheetahs, the tigers, the elephants. So like that. My point is that you cannot go and read everything. It is impossible. So if you get some focused list of topics and if you prepare them, guys, easily you can jump from 70 to 75 marks to 90 to 95 marks. Easily you can do that. And after this, if you master the optional elimination technique, your marks is going to shoot up like this, and you are going to qualify the forest services also. And guys, clearing the forest cutoff gives you another opportunity to get into forest service, which is an all India service. And guys, in the last 2-3 years, I have seen many students who are not that prepared for the mains, but just because they are clearing the forest cutoff in the prelims, they are clearing the forest mains also, and they are getting into forest services also. So getting high score in prelims will give you an extra opportunity. Don't miss that opportunity. So guys, 3 things, let me sum up 3 things you need to cross this prelims plateau from 70, 75 to 90, 95, and these 3 things are: first, optional elimination technique; second, current affairs of last 1 year; and third, most expected and predicted topics, which I will be giving you in my Telegram channels. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Do like the video and share the video with every UPSC aspirant who is struggling to crack the prelims cutoff. Thank you.